Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Broken. My name is Heather and the purpose of this channel is to create and seek beauty where sometimes there's a whole lot of mess. And in a recent video, I mentioned that I had ordered a few new molds from Juli Art and that I would do an unboxing. However, I got a bag, so we'll be doing some unbagging. Okay, well, let's get started. So, and I will link, gosh, if I could get my fingernail in here. I will link Juli's website in the description below. I am not, as of right now, an affiliate for her, but I just want to share because I love what she creates, and some of these are really cool. So, let's begin. Okay. Oh, I love that. She included some glitter. We will have to use that. Very cool. Okay. So this first mold has some sea charms. So there's a fish, and a starfish, and what is that, a sand dollar? There we go. So those are pretty. And then this I was really looking forward to. If you can see that, that is a ribbon, and we can use that for pink ones for breast cancer, and we could use it for blue ones for domestic, not blue, I'm sorry, purple for domestic violence, and any number of colors for ribbons. And if you look in there, that is a druzy crystal. You can see that sparkle back and forth there. I'm looking forward. I've not used a druzy mold yet, so I was really looking forward to this one. Okay. Also in the druzy family, these are sea turtles. So those could make good pendants, maybe even earrings. But there's also druzy. And you're noticing a theme, at least I think, that this is sea life or ocean life, and I do love the ocean, and it figures in the manuscript that I've written. So this one is a shell, and you can see that druzy in there. There you go. That looks a little bit better. And last but not least, some of you, if you order some of my things, may get one of these. It's harder to see, but it is a key charm, and it says thank you on it, and it's a bouquet of flowers. So my way of thanking people who make purchases off my Michael's Maker Place or Etsy or Ko-fi. Oh, look at, you can see the flowers in the, see, that's where the lights come in handy. You can see those flowers outlined in there. So yeah. So, oops, I just bumped the camera stand. But we have some beautiful new molds to try here, and some super cool glitter. Always love the glitter. And I will be coming back to make some of these in another video, or maybe we'll just attach it to this video. I don't know. We'll see. So thank you for joining me, and as always, seek beauty. It's always there if you look for it. Bye.